been watching my new show, 90s Rock in 9 Minutes, you'll know why I bought this. Off the internet. Here we go. Let's check this out. Cool. I still need the scissors. It's a life lesson. Don't just drop scissors in the floor when you get done using them. You know what I mean? It could be a hazard. Oh, I don't know what side to show you first, but there's a reason I bought this. This is Brutal Juice, their debut album from Interscope Records. And the back of it, I don't know, I think that should have been the front cover. I think they would have sold more albums. Not to say they didn't sell albums. In fact, these guys were mentioned in the same arena as like Korn and Nine Inch Nails and everybody in the mid-90s after that Nirvana Gold Rush, post-Nirvana Gold Rush. You get Brutal Juice. Mutilation makes identification difficult. So, you'll find out why on the next episode of 90s Rock in 9 minutes.